10 ways to make $1 million. Let me tell you a truth most people don't like hearing. $1 million is not a miracle number. It's a math problem. And once you understand the math, the fear disappears. Years ago, a young man sat in his small apartment calculating something strange. He wasn't calculating his bills. He was calculating how to make $1 million. And that's when everything changed. Here are 10 real paths that can lead to $1 million if done right. 1. Build a business that solves a painful problem. The fastest way to $1 million? Ownership. If you build a business that makes $20,000 profit per month, that's $240,000 per year. In 5 years, you're there. But the secret? Solve a painful, urgent problem. People pay for relief, not ideas. 2. Invest consistently for 15 to 25 years. If you invest $1,000 monthly in index funds averaging 10% annually, over time compound interest does the heavy lifting. It's not flashy, but it works. The wealthy respect time. 3. Create a scalable digital asset YouTube. Courses, software, ebooks. Build once, earn repeatedly. One product selling $100. Sell 10,000 copies over time. There's your million. 4. Real estate with leverage. Buy income-producing properties. Use bank money wisely. Let tenants pay the mortgage. Over time, equity grows. Property appreciates. Wealth builds quietly. 5. Acquire equity in a growing company. Instead of chasing salary, chase ownership. A small equity stake in the right startup can multiply. Salary pays bills. Equity builds wealth. 6. Master a high-income skill. Copywriting, coding, sales, consulting. If you earn $200,000 per year and invest half wisely, you can reach 7 figures faster than you think. Income is fuel. Investment is the engine. 7. Buy undervalued assets, stocks during crashes. Businesses from desperate sellers. Land in developing areas. Wealth is often transferred during panic. The rich buy when others are afraid. 8. Build a personal brand. Attention is currency. If millions trust your voice, opportunities follow. Sponsorships, products, partnerships. Influence, when monetized correctly, is powerful. 9. Scale an existing business. Sometimes the fastest path isn't starting from zero. Buy a small business, making $100K yearly. Improve systems, double profits. Sell it later for a multiple. That's strategy. 10. Combine income streams. The millionaire rarely depends on one source. Business plus investments, plus digital assets, plus equity. Wealth is built like a table. Multiple legs, stable foundation. Here's the part nobody tells you. Becoming a millionaire is rarely about luck. It's about patience, ownership, and leverage. The young man in that apartment didn't become rich overnight. He stopped chasing money and started building systems. $1 million is not magic. It's math multiplied by discipline. And once you see the system, you can't unsee it. Subscribe to Wealth Bolt for more educational financial tips.